Hello everyone, thank you so much for pressing that play button. My name is Charlene from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I have a super cute project to share with you today. Now this type of card has been around for a while, so it's nothing new that I'm creating, but I am using new product from the upcoming occasions catalog. So I want to share with you how I created this card, and it's a beautiful little pop-up card, and it stands on its side, and then when it's ready for mailing, this just slides up. Now because I've put butterflies there, you just want to make sure that the butterflies go underneath the blue piece. And when it's ready for mailing, it just mails flat like so. So I'm going to share with you how we create today's project. Now, if you guys are new to Stampin' Up! And you need a catalog, I would love to send you a catalog. Send me an email, charlesluciano@yahoo.com. I will have today's project linked in the description, and if you click on it, that will take you directly to the blog post. I will also have linked in the description all the products that I use for today's product, and if you click on any of that, that will take you directly to my online store. If you have purchased through me in this past year, be on the lookout for your catalogs. They are in the mail. And again, if you're looking for a catalog, please send me an email. I am using some of the new products. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's amazing. And for every $50 you spend, you get to pick something out of this little celebrations catalog. And oh my goodness, there are 19 pages of the most amazing product you have seen. It's great. Now, the designer series paper I'm using is a product that you can pick out of this celebrations brochure. It is beautiful designer series paper. And what I love about the designer series paper is that this suite of product also comes with a coordinating punch. And this punch, it's got a little butterfly and a bigger butterfly, but the butterfly actually punches out these little butterflies in the designer series paper. Now, I hate to punch it out because if you flip over the paper, how beautiful is this paper, you guys? It is stunning. It's black and white, which means you can color it. You can use your blenders, you know, your Stampin' Blend. You can use the watercoloring pencils, but just a beautiful paper. So, yeah, I will say this paper is amazing. So I just wanted to give you a little peek into the paper. And one side is black and white, and the other side is in the color. Just stunning, 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 beautiful, beautiful paper. And again, this is free if you spend $50 or more. You get to pick this beautiful designer series paper. Isn't this just gorgeous? And it's all with these butterflies. So again, if you guys need a catalog, please send me an email. I'd love to send you a catalog. Those that have ordered will receive your catalogs in the mail sometime soon, I hope. But let's get on with today's project. So if you miss any of these measurements, they will be over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. And I do post projects every weekday, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look, get some inspiration. So, my base of the card is in Highland Heather, and this piece is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, and we need to do some scoring. I have a piece of Balmy Blue, and this piece is cut at 2 3/4 by 5 1/4. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 2 1/2 by 5. I have a few layering circles. I have a 1 1/4 layering circle and a 1 1/2. And then again, I went and punched out that designer series paper using the punch. So just a couple of butterflies. Now we need to do some scoring, and we need to score this at 1 inch. We need to score this at 2 3/4. We need to score this at 3 3/4. We need to score this at 5 1/2. We need to score this at 7 1/4. We need to score this at 8 1/4. And we need to score this at 10. And that's our scoring done. So this is where we're going to stamp these butterfly images. So I'm going to use tone on tone for this. And I just have a scrap piece of paper, my little list of shopping supplies. And I am just going to stamp these butterflies. And again, it's just tone on tone ink. And the reason why I'm adding this paper there is because I don't want any ink to go on the next panel. And now you can fold and burnish all your score lines. Like so. So you're going to take this middle part and you're going to fold it in half. And I'm using, I can't think of the name of the punch. Something banner, I can't think of it. But you're just going to cut out, you're going to line it up, and you just want to take off a tiny little sliver. Literally, you're taking off just a hair. So basically, I'm just making an opening. In my paper so that this piece can fit in there like so. Okay, what you're going to do now, you are going to stamp, and I am going to stamp Hello Beautiful. Okay, I've got some balmy blue, and just in like a little bit in the middle-ish, we're going to stamp Hello Beautiful. Again, I'm going to come in with that butterfly. My ink pads are new, so they're a little challenging to open because I haven't. We're going to stamp a butterfly there. Now on this one, I didn't stamp the big one. I made sure I just got the little one, but again, it's however you want to do it. Let me move this all out the way. And then I'm going to attach, I'm using some multi-purpose liquid glue. I'm just going to attach this piece to my panel. Like so. And then what I'm going to do now, I am going to slide this in I'm going to fold this back panel up and I'm going to add some glue. I'm going to come in with this center panel and I'm going to add it right over here. I don't want to go right up to that bottom line, so I just want to leave a little space. You're going to hold that a few minutes because the liquid glue does need a few minutes to dry. And then you're going to add some glue on this piece. And you're going to fold this over. And again, just giving it a good press. And then when you go to pop that down, that's going to give you that box effect. Pop-up card. Isn't that cute? Mail's just like so. Adorable. So what I did was I came in with the butterflies and I used some glue dots and just attached the butterfly with some glue dots. And again, you can place them anywhere. But I used glue dots because I wanted the wings to look a little bit like it was flying. And the only thing you'd have to be mindful of is when you go to close it, because there are butterflies there, but it does close. And then what I did was I folded these circles in half. And I attached one half like so. Then I came with my card. I have my 1/8 inch handheld circle punch. Just making sure I'm centered. And I punched that. And then when I flipped it over, I'm able to now go through the balance of the paper. So now I can add this. I didn't quite get it right. It's hard when you're on camera. You don't really want to get your head in the way. That's going to go over like so. You're not going to see that, so I'm not too stressed because you're going to add some ribbon. Like that. And then again, the ribbon I am using is also a free product. Beautiful ribbon, you guys. And you get 5 spools. Let me double check. I don't want to give you incorrect information. But you get 5 spools. And there are 5 yards each. How awesome is that? So quite a lot of ribbon. And again, if you spend $50, you get to pick free items. And then what I did was I ran ribbon through here and just basically tied a little knot. Let me get my So, I can't really tie a knot on the camera, but for the purpose of the video, and you're going to add some ribbon up at the top. Like so. So when you go and pull it, you're going to get a super cute little knot. Like so. And then you can finish it off with a little tag like I did over here. And again, that's optional. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. Leave me a comment, you guys. I love to hear from you. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of these products that I used today, I will have them linked in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. And I hope you'll head on over there and go and grab some inspiration. I hope everybody has a wonderful Monday and a great week ahead. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.